Today we wan talk about how you go take make your layers bed to lay more or to lay well. Number one na access to clean water. So your chicken need clean water, they need fresh water to support their body need. Sometimes you fit see your birds dey drink from mud or from dirty water. But this mud and dirty water wey dis birds dey drink water from, dem fit contain parasite, bacteria wey fit make dem sick. So if your hen dey dehydrated, dem no go lay egg quick and e go hard for dem to continue to lay. Another one na to reduce stress. Chicken fit get stress small. Your chicken fit get stress from something like feed, noise or animal wey dey run inside your poultry house. And na your job as a poultry farmer to maintain stress for dis your poultry house if you want your bird to lay more. So e dey very important make you no stress your bird or things wey dey make dem stress, make you try remove am so dat dem go fit dey comfortable and lay egg. Another one na calcium. Your hen wey lack calcium, e no go lay strong egg, e go lay soft egg. And dis egg fit look like their egg o, but the thing no go hard, e go dey soft for hand. And e go come lay shellless egg. Dis shellless egg, e no go too strong. So it is very important make you give your bird calcium. You fit put am for their food or their water for your bird to lay better egg. Another thing wey go help your bird to lay egg more na enough space. Chicken no like to dey together. Dem like to get enough space so dat dem fit fly, dem fit get relax. And at least each chicken suppose have 4 feet square outside so dat dem go fit get air, dem go fit relax and dem go fit dey okay. Another thing be sey when chicken dem don dey together, if dem no get space, e fit result for pecking, e fit result to feather picking, egg eating and cannibalism. Dem fit begin dey kill theirself and eat theirself. And again, weaker birds dem fit match am, dem fit even kill am. So when you give your bird enough space, e dey help dem make dem dey happy and con ten t. Another thing be sey birds wey dey happy, e dey lay egg pass birds wey no dey happy. Another one na parasite and bug. Bug and parasite na insect wey be sey dem dey really disturb your poultry bird and e dey affect their health. And dis bug and mite, dem dey suck your chicken blood and in severe case, dem fit lead to anemia and death. So if you want your poultry bird to lay well, e dey very important make you follow dis ways. So thank you as you don stay with me till the end of the video. Subscribe to DIY Farm, follow our Facebook page. See you for my next video. Bye.